And the city of Virginia Beach is one of the first cities to implement a major mental health law. The Marcus Law creates a better response from police and mental health clinicians working together. But now city officials want the public's input on how it should be implemented. Angelo Vargas spoke to mental health professionals to hear their thoughts.
Virginia Beach city officials are seeking public input from the community and anyone who has experience in handling a mental health episode.
Well, I have a couple different takes just because we personally as a family, we interacted with law enforcement when our daughter was in crisis.
Susanna Urosky is the interim president of NAMI Coastal Virginia, an organization helping families find resources and handle mental illness. Urosky is also part of the local Marcus Alert stakeholder group.
I am very encouraged by what will be happening because it will be a behavioral health response to a behavioral health crisis.
The Marcus Alert is not like an Amber Alert. You will not see it on your phone or hear an alarm. It's a set of protocols to help mental health professionals and police work together during a crisis.
It's kind of like a framework for how they're going to respond to crises.
Virginia Beach officials have listed 4 goals for the new initiative. Limiting law enforcement officer involvement if a situation is safe enough. Having fewer people in the criminal justice system and more on treatment and recovery programs. Lastly, creating more positive outcomes and awareness about mental health resources in the community.
Can help really bridge the gap and work further upstream in an effective way, in a less intimidating way for the person in crisis. Build in kind of a program evaluation component so that every so often you're looking and kind of going back, cycling back through that process.
The city of Virginia Beach is one of 5 cities to be a hub to start the statewide initiative. The Department of Human Services will have a virtual meeting about the Marcus Alert on August 25th and September 2nd. In Virginia Beach, Angelo Vargas, 13 News Now.
And the Marcus Alert is named after a Richmond man who was killed by a police officer while experiencing a behavioral health crisis back in 2018. All community service boards in the Commonwealth are required to establish a Marcus Alert system by July of 2026.